Hey everybody, this is Kirk with The Real Forex. Wanted to make this quick video to invite you to our free Telegram group where we put out signals each and every trading day. Guys, if you're in that Telegram group, we had 16 wins in the month of September. 16 wins, made a lot of money. But guess what? If you're part of our premium group, in our Discord group, we had over 38 wins. See, we give you the sides over in our free Telegram group. But 16 wins, even if you just following that group alone, you should have made some money, guys. But that's just a teaser to what we do in our Discord group. Guys, this is our free Telegram group right here. We'll come in and we'll mark up our trades, right? We'll mark up our trades and put them in, guys. EURNZD. We mark them up first and then let them play out. That one hasn't played out yet. But hey, here we go. EURNZD. Went on up, 20 pip take profit, kept on going, guys. Right here. See, we actually mark the charts up first and then show you the afterwards, right? So this is our free group. And again, as I said, just for the month of September alone, we had 16 wins in this group here. But you come over in here, make some money. See, it's a skill set for life. We're teaching you how to trade, guys. But now I'm going to show you, our premium group. All right. And if you're part of our premium group, you're going to get way more. Let's go over to our Discord. Now, guys, this is our Discord group, our premium group here. This is where you're going to actually get the meat. See, our free signals Telegram group, that's the potatoes, that's the sides and everything. You get like the little bits of money. Now, if you're over there, you're going to make some income if you're taking the signals. But guys, over here in the Real Forex Discord group, this is where we're going to put all of our valuable information. We have our top-down analysis trainings. We teach you how to double your account simply by taking our trade signals. Join us for our live trading sessions for members only on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 8 p.m. Eastern. You're going to get more value over here, guys. And then let's go look at our signals. See, in the signals Telegram group, you had 16 wins for the month of September. But over here, we do way more signals, guys. I think for the month of September, we had over 31 wins, guys. Over 31 wins over here. You ever heard about the power of 100 pips a week? We made over 1,000 pips in 2 weeks, guys. But this is in the premium group. You're going to make a lot more money over here. A lot more money over here. And we also have our charts channel right here, where we teach you how to put your charts in. How to do your charts, guys. You're going to actually be able to learn how to mark them up, right? Mark up your rejections and put them in here, and we'll go over them and actually take trades. So over here in this group, we're teaching you guys. It's very interactive. We want you to actually learn how to mark up your charts so you can actually start creating income and winning for yourself, right? So right there. And then on the end of the week, listen, this is crazy, guys. Crazy. For the month of August, we had 38 wins, 16 losses, 1,200 potential pips, 70% win rate, guys. This is for the month of August in the premium group. See, in the Telegram, free signals Telegram group, you had wins, but you didn't have 38 of them, guys. You didn't have 38 of them. And then down for the month of September, 28 wins. See, we're in the Telegram group, we had 16 wins, but we had 28 wins in the premium, guys. Premium. Oh, we're crushing the market. So you're going to get a lot more value here in the Discord group. We had a potential over 2,100 potential pips for the month of August and September in our premium group. Guys, we are killing the market. So you definitely want to become a premium member and learn to trade the real Forex Discord. And did I mention that we're passing the FTMO challenge? See, we actually train you to take trades and make money with the FTMO. Guys, we believe in trading other people's money and creating income. Let me show you some of the results from that. Hey, but we're not done. We got a surprise for you. Something big is brewing. Something big is brewing. Yes, guys, you read that right. Once we get the Telegram group to over 300 members, we are going to actually give away 2 live funded $25,000 challenge FTMO accounts, guys. Yes, we're going to give them away. Then we're going to help you. We're going to train you on how to pass it. Guys, we're super excited. Spread the word and invite people to the Telegram group. Again, when we get over 300 people in there, we're going to give away 2 live $25,000 accounts and help you pass. And help you to pass it, guys.